So sleep and skin health have been a long-standing evaluation and conversation in sleep medicine for the last 50 years. One of the things that we do know is that when we're not getting enough sleep or insufficient sleep or poor sleep, our skin is frequently the first thing that shows it, whether it's with wrinkles, poor pallor or skin color, and also the effects of the immunologic system on skin health. So for instance, one of the things that parents would tell their children is if you don't get enough sleep, you're going to break out with acne or have more skin infections. There's truth in that because when you affect the immunologic system, it'll frequently show up with skin infections or irritations. So those are just a few superficial items to begin the discussion and to talk about how it can directly affect skin health. If you have a bad night's sleep and you walk into a meeting, frequently one of your friends who is less tight with their lips will say, "You look tired," or "You look bad today." They're reflecting on your skin health, just to give you an idea of how common that is.